Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everybody, today I'm in Chinatown, the place where lots of people like to hang out, including the Amos and locals. So we'll check out this area, see any interesting stuff, and bring you to the Chinatown 11 New Assisted. Let's go. Opposite from where I'm standing, there's a hawker Chan. There was awarded 1 Michelin star. I think it's the only restaurant that is awarded 1 Michelin star. Very nice. And look at that, People's Park Complex. Look at these murals, man. Block 335 Chinatown Complex. Lots of TCM store. Yeah, because this is like Tangjian, you know, the Chinatown. Let's go up there and look. Wow, we have a Fazi here. So the Chinatown decoration are still here. Some of them, the wishing tree, and the one also. So this is the basement wet market of this 335 Smith Street. So right now at the Dazhongguo Bingjia, they sell some traditional mooncakes. They actually started from 1938, man. And look at the photos here. Some promotion, 2 for $10. $10. So DIY from camera studio. And some Prata food here. I see coconuts. The private store right here, man. I see lots of coconuts. But in front, guess what? There are fruit juice and also like durians. And look at this, Singapore Sling, no alcoholic some more. Wow, this one. Starbucks has opened like a few years ago. It was viral, you know. Until now, many people come in the Starbucks. It's just amazing. In Chinese, it's called Xinbake. Look at the nice durians over there. This is the famous Chinatown Night Street Market. Lots of souvenirs and stuff like Asian home. Look at the colorful Peranakan style of the plates here, saucer, and so much. And only for $5, man. This one for sauce, and little cups here. Thai restaurant. Sawadi means hello. Lots of foreigners like to hang out here and drink. And also have some seafood. Chagi. I like this part the most about Chinatown. The lights come on, the tourists come, and they're so colorful and bright here. And very popular ama chai among the Singaporeans and even the foreigners. There's the original Peranakan tiles gallery where they sell Peranakan tiles inside. But they close at 6. You can take a look from here. It's supposedly it's a home museum or something. Wow. I think they have over 10,000 tiles, man. You know, there's an Indian temple on the right side. It's called Sri Ramanaman. We can pick here from here. A nice mural here, Malayan. There's some sweet women. Pagoda Street in 1950. But then they were like have opium dens and slave traders in 1862, and then they become like gang fights. And then in 1972, it was Pagoda Street was visited by Queen Elizabeth II, was in Singapore for a state visit. And now Pagoda Street is look like this. So right here, the Sri Marapan Temple. There's some history. It's the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. In 1827 was constructed. And then wow, it looks very new and many devotees right now. And you can even like borrow the costume to cover up your shoulders. And look at this, man. and that one. Okay, I just arrived at Temple Street. There's some background information. Temple Street was started, I mean, the photo there in 1950, black and white. They were like street peddlers selling fruit, vegetables, and so on. So before it was called Temple Street, it's called Almeida Street after a person called Almeida. And then there was social use like prostitution, crimes, and opium smoking. But then there's a Dr. Chen. He was against opium smoking and prostitution, and his efforts seem to work. In Pagoda Street, I mean Temple Street right now, looks like this. There's a shop called Lao Choi Sing. I think they sell some household appliances and stuff. 想你的风还是吹到了新加坡大胡子串烤 from China BBQ. I guess some of the boats themselves are from China, and people's complaint is just in front. This one is just now the Chinatown Night Market Street, right? So it's actually in link, and some pub above. So Nanyang Memories, a shop, you can have it try your traditional costume, the Peranakan costume. They even have the makeup and photography here. Interesting. Oh, look at all these murals. Who would have thought that the Chinatown last time will become now so nice? There's an interesting antique shop called East Inspiration, and look at that, so many stone lions and elephant. Look at the Visa, and the payment is just so old. I mean, over 30 years old, man. Since Visa and Visa created. Coconut bowl, 3 for 21 for 8. Very nice, huh? So here is Smith Street. Wow, it seems to be there are a lot of prostitutes last time, and also the shop house. So the girls very terrible, the prostitutes. They have these scissors and stamp the chest. But now all these things has ended. We have a brand new Chinatown. There's a Charm of Chinatown mosque right here. They follow the Halal, right? I mean, they follow the religion of the Muslim. So let's take a look at the information here. So this is how it looks like in 1920, man. And it's known as Masjid Chulia and Masjid Kring. So the mosque is built to face Mecca. The architect who designed it also designed some of Singapore's most well-known buildings like the Armenian Church and the Mo Old Parliament House in this building. We arrived at Mall Street. Look at this, man. Terra Hotel is here. And underneath, I mean, at the ground floor is the pub, so it's very noisy to sleep. I mean, it must be until the pub closed, then you can sleep. It's basically like staying in a hotel where downstairs is a disco, man. I'd rather choose a Galaxy Ports at 27. Oh, it's almost the same. Not the distance it's just a few meters. Jialat, yeah. So sometimes it's hard to find the hotel. I mean, you book online, you never know. Unless you come here, and there are some pubs here. Mall Street. And restaurants. There are restaurants and pubs and hotels here. China restaurants. And in front I can see OG, man. Hunan cuisine. The hotel 100, which is not budget. It's actually 100 plus per night. Look at the God of Fortune, the Bat, man. So this is Mall Street. Lee Jing Hyang is next, no, the Bagua. They used to have some BBQ around here. I mean, the stuff will go on top. Here, but that was during the CNY period. Now, no more. One more look at the Chai Chen Ye. Wow. 7-Eleven here, and there's a Singapore, I love Singapore, Lion City souvenirs. There's also a Chinatown Point here, and another one, People's Park Center, Yue Hua Chinese product, and the People's Complex, the red building. A few malls around here, and there's an OG as well. We've arrived at People's Park Complex. Inside there are like over 50 massage shops, seriously, and lots of Chinese eatery. You can only find one fast Western food. There is the McDonald's around that corner. It's 24 hours. OG is here. Lim Chi Kwan as well. And there's a People's Park shopping complex also. At level 1, there are some hawker center. If you enjoyed this video so far, give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. From Chinatown, Jiang,